Hey guys, quick question. Wouldn't you like to financially benefit from the writing abilities you have while making an additional money to cover your ever-increasing expenses? Often, we as humans underestimate our abilities. We may not realize that we can write articles, websites, blogs, or essays and get seriously paid doing so. You can actually get paid either directly to your bank account or via PayPal. Check this out guys. You see, writing an article is a simple process of you dedicating some of your time every day writing content based on your client's requirements, which really is an effective method in investing your free time. So if you're new to freelance writing, one of the principal things you might see is how misty the entire cycle is. You may not know this, but most blogs, publications, and even websites frequently depend on a multitude of freelance writers. However, their contributor guidelines and pay are in many cases mysteriously absent. This is why I'm going to show you guys how to find the websites that pay you to write for them and where you need to get the articles that ultimately help you achieve your financial freedom. This video is for those of you like myself who don't have writing skills or any journalistic skills whatsoever. And don't get me wrong, this is also for those of you who have very good writing skills but desire to make more money on the side. Guys, this simple article writing process can be done using your phone as well as your laptop to make the kind of money that you desire. So make sure to watch all through the end of the video as I'll be sharing more websites that will pay you guys to write for them, and I'll also be showing you how much you can potentially get paid per word. This could be between $500 to about $3,000 a day, depending on the article and approval process of the various websites. If you're stopping by my channel for the first time, please consider subscribing to my channel, and while you're at it, smash that like button for me. I'll very much appreciate it. Alright guys, let's jump right into the video. The very first step of writing an article that you can get paid from is by you figuring out which articles are trending. My humble opinion to you guys is to first go onto Google News and search for the latest articles based on what's going on in the world. It could be an article on either business, technology, or health. Side note, on the off chance that you don't have the foggiest idea what Google News is, let me tell you, Google News is fundamentally a site that will give you up-to-date news stories on things that are trending around the world at present. Alright guys, for those of you who use Google Chrome, Safari, or any other browser of your choice, simply go onto your browser and search for Google News and click on the first result you see. It's going to have the top stories for you. You can see on Google News categories such as Canada, because I live in Canada. You've got worldwide news, you've got local news, you've got business, technology, entertainment, sports, science, and health, and various other categories as well. Presently, for this first method for bringing in money, what we're really going to do is to open up one of the categories. For instance, let's click on business. Now you can see it's going to list the latest articles in the business category. What we need to do is simply pick any of these articles. Guys, it truly doesn't make any difference which article you pick as long as you find that article interesting enough to look at. Just go ahead and choose any. Alright guys, for this video, I'm going to open up this article right here that says why FTX's collapse conjures nightmares from 2008's global financial crisis and fears of crypto pyramid schemes. Next, what you want to do is copy only the text written on the article like this, and you want to avoid copying the pictures, ads, or images. After that, we're ready to move on to the next step, in which we need to visit another website called Spinbot. Simply put, the content of the article you've copied into that space provided by Spinbot will rewrite the article for you. So guys, Spinbot is a free automatic article spinner that will rewrite human readable text into additional intelligent and readable text. Basically, Spinbot is a paraphrasing tool, and this tool, my friends, will come in handy for you when you're trying to write an article. Guys, it's very important that you read through the paraphrase article, as there might be some typos which might need to be corrected. Don't be like this guy.
From the entire Channel 4 news team, I'm Veronica Corningstone.
And I'm Ron Burgundy. Go yourself, San Diego. What in the name? No.
Now, after you've rewritten the news article using Spinbot, you then need to submit those articles onto another website, which I'll go over with you in a minute. And obviously, those kind of websites will pay you for the articles you've written, and some other magazines or blogs can even pay you for every word in the article. Alright, let's go to the website where you can submit your paraphrase article. For this video, I'm going to submit my paraphrase article on JSTOR and get paid about 30 cents per word. So, if the 1,000-word article you've submitted is approved, you get paid $300. You get it? Just imagine you posting at least 3 articles per day, where each of those websites can pay you between 30 cents to $1. Now, JSTOR does give free admittance to a huge number of articles and pictures and great many books. The site likewise gives any person admittance to more than 12 million journal articles, books, books, pictures, and primary sources in 75 disciplines, of which business, arts, history, and technology are a few of the subjects that they exhibit. Okay guys, like I said, type in the word JSTOR, JSTOR on Google, and then click on the first search result you see. This will take you into the JSTOR website. Then what you want to do is scroll all the way down to the bottom of the page and select JSTOR Daily. Once you get into the JSTOR Daily page, you want to scroll all the way down and click on Submission Guidelines. There you'll find information pertaining to the articles that they would accept and the ones that they don't accept. You can take your time to read that page and get more information. But for the purpose of this video, I'll skip that and scroll all the way down a little bit and select where it says Contact the Editors. And it will take you to the page where you can submit your pitch or article. Now in this page, you want to click on the reason for contacting us. And what you would select would be general page from a writer. And in the feedback box, you want to type in your name and the reason for contacting them. And you'd also have to include the article. For example, I'm going to show you guys what you can write in the box. So I'll start by typing in my name and I would say, hi, my name is Frank. I'm a beginner blogger writer and I do freelance jobs for YouTubers that are too busy to run blogs. And I'm very interested to start writing blog posts for bigger publishers such as JSTOR. I would love to have an opportunity to showcase my work, and I have taken the initiative by writing an article for JSTOR. Now in the next paragraph, you would have to include your article. You can continue by typing in, if you're interested in having me in your team, it would mean the world to me. I'm very dedicated and willing to learn. So if you have any constructive criticism about my article, please also feel free to write to me. Thank you, best Frank. Once you've given your feedback, fill in your email address. In this case, I'm going to use a fake email address. Okay. And then answer this simple question below. In this case, it says a panda is black and the answer will be white. So you type in white in the box below. After that, you click on I'm not a robot to get a check mark and then submit. Alright guys, you sent your pitch and you see a thank you message. And when you look below, you would see the last sentence where it says, keep in mind that we're working with a 6 to 8 week lead time for featured articles. Obviously, it would take about 6 to 8 weeks for your articles to get reviewed. And if they like your article, you will be contacted to provide your account details and potentially get signed up with them as a long-time partner, where you'd have to be providing them with articles on a daily basis. So that's it then for this video. I've showed you how to submit an article that pays you. Bye. Hold on, we're not done yet guys. Like I promised in the beginning, I'll be sharing a handful of websites, blogs, and magazines with you guys so you can start making that $2,000 to $5,000 a day. Obviously, you can't achieve financial freedom if a blog takes about 6 to 8 weeks to get back to you, right? So what you want to do is you want to send at least 3 articles to various websites and blogs to get that $2,000 a day. I'm going to show you a few websites that you can earn some money from. The first website to earn money from is called AARP. Now, the AARP magazine is a leading publication for people 50 and older. So folks who are getting to their retirement age or already retired. You can pitch stories on health, personal finance, travel, and other areas of interest to the magazine's 37.3 million readership subscribers. The AARP's magazine website is www.aarp.org/magazine. If you look into the website, you can see that they've got a lot of articles over here. If you're interested, you can actually send them articles and they would actually pay you $2 per word for printing or $1 per word for online articles. Now, the second other website to earn money from is called Audubon. Audubon is a flagship journal of the National Audubon Society. It is profusely illustrated and focuses on subjects related to nature with a special emphasis on birds. All you have to do is simply go to its website, www.audubon.org/fast magazine issue. Then click on where it says please see here alongside for submission guidelines and Audubon staff. Then select click here for our submission guideline. You can read it thoroughly because the magazine tells you how much you can get paid based on the number of words in your article, and they also explain why they want freelancers like yourself to submit articles. Alright guys, I'll leave you a few more blogs and websites that pay between $500 to $2,000 in my description box, and just figure out which of them you want to send articles to. Doing this along with managing your time and money will ultimately help you achieve your financial freedom. If you want to know how to make $1,000 from home, you can watch the video I made on it. Also, if you want to know how to save and invest your money to achieve financial freedom, I highly recommend that you watch this video that I made on it. Guys, make sure to leave your comments below and let me know what you think about this video and what other video you want me to talk about. Also, please hit the like button and share the video with your friends. This will enable the YouTube algorithm to share my videos to other people who want to watch this kind of personal finance video. Remember guys, it's all about about being money smart. Thanks so much for watching my video. I really appreciate you guys. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.